Hey guys, this is Denil, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove GIMP software in Ubuntu. So without wasting a time, let's get started this video. Press Ctrl Alt and T in your keyboard. This terminal is shown on desktop. Just write command sudo apt-get remove GIMP and press enter. It will ask for a password. Give what you set and press Y. This takes 30-second round to remove this program successfully. Yeah, that's it. Now let's check. Show apparent application, search for GIMP. Now this is my video, so this is not a software actually, so you can say that the software will remove successfully. Now if you like this video, then hit like button, subscribe my channel, share this, and if you have any doubt then ask in comment section below, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.